Now we are going to restore the previously executed full backup. So access to HANA Studio, and let's go to recovery tenant database. Okay, select the tenant. Here, recover to the most recent state. Okay, so we are going to stop database. Okay, now HANA is looking for the backup catalog. Okay, here it is, the backup we executed previously. Just select it. Okay, we can of course check the availability of the backup. Okay, this will contact the backend, in that case CxLink backup, and check if the backup is available. Here you can see the green light, so the backup it's available. So we are going to next. Okay, next. And of course, we have to check the third-party backup tool. We are going to use the backend to recover the database. Choose next and finish. Now in the background, CxLink backup is accessing to the corresponding S3 bucket and generating all the backup objects. And then HANA is restoring the backup files. Okay, it's a very small database, so it will be very fast. Waiting. If you access to the it's all the data downloaded from S3. Now it's restarting the HANA system. Start complete. Let's wait. All start and restored. And here it is. Your HANA database successfully recovered.